Hello. Today I have a very interesting question and most of entry tests have these kind of question. The question is 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 30, and here we have to find the value of x. So I am going to solve this question. Solution. So first of all, I am taking common from this equation like that 2 power x into 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 30. So I can write it like that 2 power x into 3 equal to 30. Now I can divide both terms with 3 and the equation will be like that 2 power x equal to 10. Now I am going to take log 2 power x equal to log 10. Now I can now I know that log a power m equal to m log a. This is rule of law and I am going to implement this law in this equation like that x equal to log 2 equal to log 10. Sorry, this is not equal, this is multiply. Now the next part is I can write this like that x log 2 equal to log 10. I can write into 2 multiply 5. Now the next is I can write log into 2 multiply 5 like that a multiply b equal to log a plus log b. Now I can write it into like that x log 2 and I can write like that log 2 plus log 5. Now I am dividing with log 2 on both sides. Log 2 plus log, sorry, here it can cut and the value of x will be like that x equal to log 2 over log 2 plus log 5 over log 2. Now I can cut this and I can write like that x equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 2. According to a log rule, I can write this term into like that log a over log b equal to log a base b. Now I can write into like that these terms, this term here x equal to 1 plus log 5 with base 2. So this is my x value Now I am going to check it. Now I am going to check it. This is my x value. Now I am going to check it out. So here is check. Here is check. Check. Here is check. The question is 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x equal to 30. Now I can check this question like that. I am putting the value of x is, that is x plus 1 log 5 with base 2, and I am going to put this value in here. I am going to put this value this like that. 2 1 plus log 5 with base 2 plus 2 1 plus log 5 with base 2 plus 2 1 plus log 5 with base 2. Can it be equal to 30? So I am going to take common 2 1 plus log 5 with base 2 and 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 30, and I can write it into like that. 1 plus log 5 with base 2 and 3 equal to 30, and the next will be like that. I can separate this term like that. 2 power 1 plus 2 log 5 with base 2 multiply 3. Sorry, I have to write into multiply sign with this question, and now I am going to multiply these two terms, and I can write into like that. 6 2 log 5 with base 2 equal to 30. So the remaining part will be here. 6 into 2 log with base 2 equal to 30. In a log statement, I can write this term like that. Log a with base b equal to b, and in this question I can write 2 and I can write here a, and here will be b. Here will be b, and I can write 6 point, and on this side in this term I can write 5 equal to 30. So 5 6 are 30 equal to 30. So this is a true solution. I hope you like the question. If you like the question, then you can subscribe the channel.